A Springfield teen charged in connection with the Phoebe Prince case finds himself in trouble with the law again. Good evening. I'm Dave Mattson. ABC 40's Ray Herschel joins us from the studio with continuing coverage of the teens charged in that bullying case that has drawn the national spotlight. Ray?
Well, Dave, Austin Renaud is one of the 6 teens who were charged after the investigation into the suicide of Phoebe Prince. Now he finds himself on the wrong side of the law again in an unrelated case. 18-year-old Austin Renaud of Springfield was arrested over the weekend in Holyoke, charged with operating under the influence. He was arraigned Tuesday in Holyoke District Court. Renaud pleaded not guilty and was released on conditions that he comply with an 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew, stay drug and alcohol free, and undergo random testing. Later in the day, Renaud was brought back here to Hampshire County Superior Court, where new conditions were set on his release. Earlier this month in Superior Court, Renaud's attorney entered a not guilty plea for him on a statutory rape charge in the Phoebe Prince case. Release conditions like the ones in Holyoke allowed Renaud to go free on personal recognizance as long as he stays drug and alcohol free, undergoes random testing, and reports to probation in Springfield once every 2 weeks. His attorney, Terrence Dunphy, said the purpose of the Tuesday hearing in Hampshire County Superior Court was to establish conditions of release and have them transferred to Hampden County Superior Court in Springfield.
It's just a simple matter of geography. He no longer has a car or a license, so it's a little difficult to get to Northampton for his reporting requirements from Springfield.
However, under the law, Renaud could have been put in jail for 60 days as a result of the second arrest, while out on recognizance from the first arrest, according to defense attorney Alan Black.
There is a section 276-58 of the Mass General Laws that allow for a mandatory 60 days if certain conditions are met when you pick up a new case, when you're out on bail or on recognizance on another case, which is what happened in this situation.
So despite an arrest while being out on bail for a previous one, Austin Renaud remains free. Well, Renaud's attorney, Terrence Dunphy, said his client is holding up better than one would expect, but it's a very difficult situation when you're accused of these crimes, especially when you add to the problem, as Renaud did when he was arrested over the weekend for drunk driving. Renaud will be back in Holyoke Court on June 11th. Dave?